Hey there peeps, it's me again. I'm back for another video. So this time we're taking a look at Bityard. So right now I am going to show you around on what Bityard is all about, how to register, deposit, withdraw, and to trade on spot and futures trading. Before we get started, I would really appreciate guys if you could smash the like button, hit subscribe, and turn on the notification bell for you to stay notified about my latest videos regarding cryptocurrencies, blockchain technology, and DeFi. Plus, you can follow my social media channels right here or in my YouTube description. So about Bityard, guys, it's the world's leading cryptocurrency derivatives exchange. So shout out to Bityard Ambassador Robert Oy. So he's a good friend of mine from the Philippines. So Robert, thank you very much for introducing me to Bityard. And I was so blown away with this, okay? If you're going to sign up for the first time, there is a 258 USDT welcome bonus. So it says right here, trade top cryptocurrencies with a leverage. You can trade either Bitcoin, Ethereum, Ripple, and other crypto assets at your disposal. So you can see right here, why is it that we should choose Bityard? So there are already 100,000 plus users in over 150 countries trading with Bityard, especially the Philippines. So Bityard has multinational licenses, 100 times leverage, low trading fee, and it's very easy guys to deposit and withdraw, and they have complex contracts, simple trade, so you could get your account in just 3 clicks. So it supports multi-languages as well. And of course, when it comes to regulation and licensing, this is what I'm so blown away. So Bityard was authorized by Singapore, United States, Estonia, and so on. You can see all of the certificates right here guys, and it only takes us 30 seconds to start trading. So all we have to do is to download the Bityard app on our mobile phone. So it's available guys on Android and Apple devices, and of course right here in the web version. And for registration guys, I would really appreciate if you're going to use my registration link right here on my YouTube description, or just use my referral code. So Bityard was recognized around the world by 100 plus media websites since April of 2020 with an outstanding 4.5 rating. So first things first, how do we register an account on Bityard? So all we have to do is to click get started. So you can choose between email and mobile. So assuming that you just wanted to register with a mobile phone, of course, just enter your mobile details right here. So once I have entered, of course, it will enable the send button for the system to send you the verification code right here on my mobile phone. So once you're going to do that, it has a time limit. So you just have to wait for the verification code to be sent to your phone. So once it's sent, of course, just enter the verification code and then enter your password. Okay, so make sure that your password is unique and secured. Okay, and of course, once again, I would really appreciate guys if you're going to use my invitation code right here on my YouTube description. So once it's done, you just click register. And of course guys, if you're going to choose email, the process is the same as well. So assuming that you have registered, it's time for us to log in. So this is how we log in. Just click right here. So I am going to choose mobile, by the way. So I'm going to enter my mobile number and the password as well. So once I have entered all the details, guys, of course, I just click login. So after that, guys, you need to slide to complete the puzzle right here. There we go. So this is the trading platform of Bityard, guys. So before we go into this one, you may want to know how to deposit and withdraw your funds. So in order for us to get started, just go to assets and click deposit. Okay, so assuming that you are going to deposit some USDT, of course, there are 3 chain names such as Omni, ERC20, and TRC20. So guys, before you are going to deposit USDT, make sure that it's on the right chain. So for example, I am using Trust Wallet and I have the ERC20 version of USDT. So all you have to do guys is to click on this one and it will display the QR code and the deposit address. So all I have to do is that I will be logging into my Trust Wallet and then I'm going to scan the QR code, okay, for the ERC20 version of USDT. Okay, so let's say that I have a TRC20 version of USDT coming from my TronLink wallet. Of course, I have to choose this one. Okay, guys, so this is just an idea, all right? on how are we going to deposit. So you can see right here, guys, the minimum deposit is 15 USDT. So you have to read all of this important stuff, because if you're going to deposit in the wrong chain, guys, of course, sad to say that your funds will be lost. So the same thing goes with Bitcoin, Ethereum, XRP, Tron, and other cryptocurrencies. Okay. So each of these cryptocurrencies has their own minimum deposit amount. So how about withdrawing our assets? So the same thing goes. Of course, you need to choose the right chain name. So assuming that you have ERC20 type of USDT, all you have to do is to click on this. In order for you to withdraw it, of course, make sure that your address is correct. So let's say ERC20. So all I have to do is to copy the USDT20 address, and assuming that I have an amount here, let's say 1000 USDT, I could enter it right here. And of course, guys, it is mandatory that you should enter your PIN. And for the CAPTCHA, of course, when you click send, it has a time limit. So Bityard will be sending a message right here on my mobile phone with the code, and then I just have to enter it right here. So you can see the single maximum is 35,000 USDT with a fee of 20 USDT. Before you're going to initiate withdraw, always read this important stuff right here below. Okay, especially, guys, the minimum and the daily limit, and of course the withdrawal hours on Singapore time. So now that we know a bit about Bityard, especially on how to register an account, how to deposit and withdraw some assets, now let's go to the spot trading, shall we? All I have to do is to click on this one, the spot trading. Okay, so this is how it looks like on the spot trading. So we are now trading BTC against USDT. I'm just going to show you around, guys, on how it looks like on Bityard. So it has sections right here, such as all, DeFi type of tokens, POS, Gray, and Binance Smart Chain. Okay, right now Bitcoin is trading sideways, by the way, so it's currently at 55,300 something. You can see right here, of course, you can set it by 1 minute, 5 minutes, 30 minutes, 1 hour, and 4 hours. All right. If you are going to do every 30 minutes, so you're calling yourself as a day trader. So if you're into scalping, so your setting should be between 1 minute and 5 minutes. And for this one, between 1 hour to 4 hours, you're calling yourself as the swing trader. You can see right here, guys, there are tools that you can explore, such as this one, the trend line, the pitchfork, the brush, text, and so on. Right here, guys, of course, there is a limit and there is a market price as well. Okay, so let's say in the limit, of course, you can see the prices right here. So let's say, guys, you're going to buy Bitcoin with USDT. So assuming that you're going to buy 1 Bitcoin. So when you're going to set price, of course, it will reflect right here on the open orders. And of course, you can see also the order history, the trade history, and the funds. So imagine, guys, that if you have 1 BTC right now in your Bityard account. Okay, so this is just an example. If you cannot wait to buy, you have to focus right here. All right, in the sell order. So the same thing goes if you're going to sell some Bitcoin for USDT. So when you're going to do that, it will reflect right here as well. So when it comes to market, it's very simple. So the system will be selecting the best market price. Okay, so let's say you want to buy Bitcoin worth 1000 USDT. Okay, and then you just click buy. So the same thing goes if you want to sell at market price. Okay, everything is updated right here. And if you're going to take a look right here, guys, it's going to be all sell orders. And this one is for all of the buy orders. Okay, so let's go now to the futures trading. So how are we going to find it? Of course, right here in the contract, there is what we call crypto and derivatives, but let's focus on crypto. Okay, so right here on my demo account, there is 100,000 USDT balance. Okay, so this is just a demo balance, guys. So if you are a newbie or beginner in trading, of course, the basic one would be 10 times leverage. The margin is between 5 to 40,000. Let's say, for example, 1,000 USDT. And of course, you can also see the TP ratio. Of course, that you can adjust this as well. And also the stop loss ratio right here. You know, guys, the stop loss is really important, you know, if you're into trading, so that it prevents you from any other further losses, just in case that you are in the wrong position in your trading activity. So let's say I am going to buy at this price. So I am going to click buy. So confirm the order. Margin is 1000 USDT, fee is 10 USDT, and this is the total 1010 USDT. So click confirm. Buying order is submitted. So this is how it goes, guys. All right. You can see your demo position and you can track your profit and loss percentage right here. Okay, so that's how it is, guys. So you can see the update right here, the floating PNL. At least I have shown you a bit about Bityard and its core features, especially on how to register, depositing and withdrawing your assets, and using their spot and futures trading. So once again, if you are interested to sign up for a Bityard account, I would really appreciate, guys, if you're going to use my invitation code right here on my YouTube description. Okay, guys, so for my next video about Bityard, I am going to show you about derivatives and copy trading. So stay tuned for that. Anyway, guys, so this is all for now. Thank you so much for tuning in to my video about Bityard. I hope you've learned something from me in this video, especially on how are we going to register, deposit, withdraw, and use the spot and futures trading. So if you think that this video is helpful, kindly don't hesitate or think twice in sharing this to your crypto, blockchain, and DeFi friends out there, especially those who are into crypto trading. And one more thing, peeps, I'm inviting you all to smash the like button, hit subscribe, and turn on the notification bell for you to stay notified about my latest videos regarding cryptocurrencies, blockchain technology, and DeFi. And you can follow my social media channels right here or in my YouTube description. Okay, guys, so from my freaking home studio, this is Jeff aka Nomad Fury, and see you all on my next video.